application infrastructure, cloud and API layers are AI powered predominantly. Looking at most of the recent attacks using the likes of the cloud or some other agents, AI-based agents, they are actually moving at machine pace, and they're also creating a lot of sophisticated attacks, chaining a lot of vulnerabilities together. So we are unable to mimic the same thing in the traditional penetration testing. Again, it is going to be only point in time, on demand, or periodic testing model, whereas the need of the hour is continuous offensive security testing, augmented or powered by artificial intelligence. Moving forward, let's look at what is the need for continuous testing DevOps SDLC. Typically, the environment of client has moved from traditional static infrastructure to on-demand ad hoc basis cloud DevOps kind of environment where the VMs are being spun up depending on the need continuously. So the infrastructure landscape is continuously changing. You're having more and more applications and services being added. This is where you need to continuously test the assets that support your services. So, and also you're doing regular updates, and then there are changes incrementally being released into the production environment because of the agile assets that you have. This is where the yearly pre-scheduled penetration testing is not aligning with the current requirement. It became an obsolete practice where you need continuous security assessment. And the existing service providers cannot satisfy this dynamic nature of the customer requirements. This is where we are looking at new age providers who can provide continuous penetration testing with little lead time, ad hoc deployment of the teams of top researchers on demand basis. This is where we are looking at the new age need for the organizations. Moving forward, a lot of people does not have or cannot provide. If you ask your current service provider what amount of testing you have done, what kind of people tested it, what is the audit trail, what kind of attacks are performed. So a lot of organizations are unable to provide this test proof or audit trail of what is happening on your environment.